Lagrange's theorem, if G is finite group and H is subgroup of G, then order of H divide order of G. Moreover, the number of distinct left coset or right coset of H in G is G by the order of G divided by order of H. So main part of the theorem is, this is actually byproduct, it will come itself. The main part is this. The main part of Lagrange's theorem is this. So first thing, let we use the coset, let H is subgroup, let A1H comma A2H comma AMH are distinct left cosets of H. Then for each A belong to G, AH is equal to some AI, that means out of these elements for some I. That means each A belong to G, AH equal to out of this element. That means actually what is the purpose? Purpose is that all element of G will fall in these cosets. So one more thing also, A belong to AH, as A can be written A into E and E will fall in H. So this will belong to AH as AH has the composition of the element like this. A belong to G and H belong to H. So here we take H is equal to identity. So H we take, that means we can take H is equal to identity. Thus each member of G belongs to one of coset AIH. Therefore A1H union A2H union, that means last is AM and this is union, this is equal to G. That means union of all these coset equal to G. And if we take the norm or the order, that means this we can write A1H union A2H union, so on, union AMH equal to order of G. Now one more thing we know, that two coset either equal or disjoint. This theorem we have proved. So here we are taking distinct. So this we can say this is equal to A1H plus A2H plus AMH equal to G. Now one theorem we proved, that we have proved that H equal to, that order of H equal to order of AH. That mean this become H and this become M H, because order of or AI you can take, no problem. So this is G. That means M is equal to order of G divided by order of H. Now what is this M? The part which we deleted. This M is the quotient and this M we call index. So this M we denote GH and this we call index of H. So what the definition of index of H mean? The number of distinct left coset or right coset. So from here index mean we can define it. Index of H means number of distinct left or right cosets. This is index and this index is equal to M.